Pierpaolo Lazarini's aircar, a futuristic flying vehicle powered by Rolls-Royce jet engines, soaring at 750 km per hour and a range of 1,200 kilometers on jet fuel. The aircar could be a game-changer in the transportation industry. The aircar's futuristic design and 4 rotating Rolls-Royce jet engines aim to redefine transportation for a new era. Italian designer Pierpaolo Lazzarini, known for his innovative water, land, and sky vehicle concepts, is back with another revolutionary idea, the aircar. This futuristic 4-4 jet-flying aircraft aims to change the way we travel by allowing passengers to bypass road traffic and take to the skies. Measuring just 6 meters in length, the compact aircar is designed to accommodate 1 pilot and 3 passengers. Its carbon fiber monocoque bodywork contributes to its ultra-lightweight form, while 4 rotatable Rolls-Royce jet engines provide the power needed to propel it through the air. The vehicle's aircar remains a concept flying vehicle. However, the lead designer and founder of Lazzarini Design Studio, Pierpaolo Lazzarini, is determined to bring this vision to life. He aims to create a full-scale prototype by 2024, paving the way for the aircar to hit the market in the future. Celeste Zephalto. To launch the luxury Celeste capsule for space travel, Zephalto and the French National Space Agency CNES plan to launch the Celeste capsule into the stratosphere, which features an expensive, stylish interior. Development of the project began in 2017, and the first launch will take place at the end of 2024. The capsule was created by the Parisian architect and designer Joseph Durand. Among its competitors on the market, it has the largest windows with 9 square meters, which will offer a stunning view of the Earth. Celeste has a total area of 20 square meters, accommodating comfortable upholstered sofas, a round table, restrooms, refrigerators, and a bar. The capsule is carpeted in shades of beige. It is designed for 6 passengers of any age without any physical training. NASA picks SpaceX to land next Americans on Moon. NASA is getting ready to send astronauts to explore more of the Moon as part of the Artemis program, and the agency has selected SpaceX to continue development of the first commercial human lander that will safely carry the next 2 American astronauts to the lunar surface. At least one of those astronauts will make history as the first woman on the Moon. Another goal of the Artemis program includes landing the first person of color on the lunar surface. The agency's powerful Space Launch System rocket will launch 4 astronauts aboard the Orion spacecraft for their multi-day journey to lunar orbit. There, 2 crew members will transfer to the SpaceX Human Landing System for the final leg of their journey to the surface of the Moon. After approximately a week exploring the surface, they will board the lander for their short trip back to orbit, where they will return to Orion and their colleagues before heading back to Earth. VRCO XB4 has a vision for a flying car with a new form of personal aircraft as the initial phase. It is a showcase for British innovation with advanced lightweight composites enhanced with nanomaterials. The vertical takeoff and landing craft is designed to be capable of carrying 4 people. It features detection and avoidance technology with safety measures including a ballistic parachute and low-altitude crash prevention systems. Working with key industry partners at the forefront of the UK power storage systems, the craft will be fast-charging and have an enhanced range. A full-size build should be completed later this year, with operational testing in 2023 and certification beginning in 2024-25. The concept's feasibility and power optimization studies were undertaken by the University of Derby's Institute for Innovation in Sustainable Engineering. Solar catamaran builder Silent Yacht's new Silent 120 Explorer offers owners the chance to make the most of their adventure cruising itineraries with space for two of the latest must-have toys for remote voyaging: an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft from VRCO for heli cruising and a submarine from U-Boat Works for underwater exploration. MyEye Pro is an artificial vision device with a lightweight smart camera that instantly reads text aloud from any surface and recognizes faces, products, and money in real time. MyEye Pro are the two magic words you use to activate, plus a subsequent voice command, including any of the smart reading commands. MyEye Pro is all about using technology to help people who are blind, partially sighted, and have reading difficulties achieve increased independence. MyEye Pro gives the ability to navigate around a page by telling MyIpro what you want to read using a range of voice commands. Orientation, which is designed to orient yourself in your immediate environment by giving you audible feedback on specific items that are in front of you. MyIpro will tell you if it sees everyday objects such as cups, chairs, tables, screens, and doors within the range of 1.5 to 9 meters in front of you, including a guide to the direction to the left or right of the user. MyEye Pro helps you to read any printed or digital text, newspapers, books, restaurant menus, signs, product labels, and computer and smartphone screens all become accessible to you in an instant. Recognizes simple hand gestures. Good for all ages and any level of vision loss. MetroTaifun, keeping trash out of sight. An automatic waste collection system specifically designed for subterranean conveyance of solid municipal waste. Merrimatic MetroTaifun area waste collection system brings municipal solid waste collection to smart city standards. It uses a vacuum to transport waste and raw materials through an underground pipe network into containers at a centralized waste transfer terminal. Carless areas can be designed for people to enjoy a smart, safe, and hygienic city environment. Waste inlets with automatic doors are hygienic, touchless, an important feature in the fight against pandemics. The user is identified with RFID or QR code to verify access to the system. The aux invites you to sort and recycle. AI and big data analyze people's waste recycling behavior, and from there, education and incentives are drawn to improve. The properly sorted paper, cardboard, plastics, and bio-waste are raw materials for different processes. DJI Mini 4 Pro, the global frontrunner in civilian drone and aerial imaging technology, is renowned for its innovative product range. The company's Mini series, in particular, has gained immense popularity among drone enthusiasts for its compactness, affordability, and advanced features. The camera system of the DJI Mini 4 is anticipated to carry significant improvements over its predecessor, potentially changing the landscape for lightweight consumer drones. The Mini 4 is speculated to host a larger 1-inch sensor. The implications of this upgrade are substantial, with improved image quality, superior low-light performance, and potentially even high-resolution video recording capabilities. The larger 1-inch sensor would enable the Mini 4 to capture more light and detail, resulting in superior image and video quality. In addition to the better imaging capability, the Mini 4 might come equipped with an adjustable or larger aperture. This would allow photographers more control over depth of field, enhancing the ability to achieve professional-grade results in various lighting conditions. Ramato Prototype T8 is a futuristic caravan that swivels like a giant USB stick and costs $268,000. Ramato T8 is a unique caravan designed by New Zealand architecture, and it truly is unlike any other you've seen before. It's also probably more expensive than any other caravan you've laid eyes on. The Ramato T8 was first previewed as a prototype back in 2018 but has now spawned a production model that is available to purchase. It is based around a fixed chassis with a curved side, while the intersection can then rotate 90 degrees. As Rob Report says, it works in much the same way as a swiveling USB stick, albeit in a much bigger size. When the caravan is in its open position, it offers an indoor-outdoor living arrangement with a large decking area where you can enjoy nature, and then two large doors that open up to the sheltered living space. There is plenty more to like about the T8 than just its intriguing design. For example, it can be ordered with wall-mounted TV, an outdoor projector, a pumping audio system, and a bedroom with either a single bed or a double bed. It is also quite eco-friendly as it runs off a 200-ah lithium battery that's charged by solar panels on the roof. The Hyperion Hydrogen Hypercar is a true game-changer. This is the Hyperion XB1, a hypercar powered by hydrogen fuel cells. For starters, it is faster than just about anything on the road. The hydrogen powertrain utilizes space flight technology to store more hydrogen in less volume than any other hydrogen car on the road. The XB1 can accelerate from standstill to 60 mph in 2.2 seconds, and it has a top speed of 220 mph. The XB1 was built on a monocoque frame, using titanium body panels and carbon fiber hydrogen tanks. Every element was designed for a purpose. For example, the car is fitted with solar panels designed to move to follow the sun's rays like a sunflower. Inside, you'll find an ultra-futuristic and yet minimalistic cabin. There are no buttons and knobs. However, it does have a massive 98-inch curved screen which integrates the dashboard and the center console. It admittedly looks even weirder in person, with unconventional proportions, complex intakes, and pieces sticking out of the bodywork, including the Bugatti-style adjustable blades which are covered in solar panels. Inside, you'll find an ultra-futuristic yet minimalistic cabin. There are no buttons or knobs. However, it does have a massive 98-inch curved screen that integrates the dashboard and the center console. Hyperion hasn't revealed how much the XB1 will cost, but considering its performance and the level of technology, you're looking at $2–3 million. Natilus selects ZeroAvia ZA600 hydrogen electric engines for zero-emission propulsion. The Nautilus Kona, with its revolutionary BWB design, offers increased volume for hydrogen storage, potentially transforming the air cargo delivery industry to one with low cost, low carbon emissions, while also extending flight range. The partnership with ZeroAvia will leverage its expertise in hydrogen electric powertrain technology with Natilus' unique design to create a scalable, long-range, and zero-emission air cargo delivery solution for the entire industry. Natilus recently validated the performance of the BWB design with flight testing of a quarter-scale Kona prototype aircraft, following 3 years of extensive wind tunnel testing, while ZeroAvia has now conducted 8 test flights of its prototype ZA600 600kW engine in a 19-seat testbed aircraft. Natilus currently has more than $6.8 billion in order commitments and 460 aircraft in pre-orders from companies including major airlines and integrators, Amarai Flight, Volatus Aerospace, Flexport, Astral, Aurora International, and Diamond. The company is now working on the construction of a full-scale Kona technology demonstrator, which will have a wingspan of 85 feet, 26 meters.